So here's a neat piece of American history. Sports cards were started right here in the good old USA. Saloon girls. I've got one over there. It's been signed from a long time ago. It's been checked. 1800's. A guy that fought in the World Civil War, his name was Duke, lived in Durham, North Carolina, and started the trading card industry. And first it was saloon girls, then it evolved to other trading cards. And of course, I love messing with trading cards. One of the things about a trading card, you have your figure on the front. Then back then, see if I can get this, it would usually have the name or names of whatever tobacco company was being advertised. Like there's Piedmont cigarettes. I don't know what this one you can't see anymore. This one's Origin cigars, but they started right here in the United States, and slowly went to gum and other candies, and I thought that was interesting. But they started, Church didn't like the saloon girls, sent a letter to his dad, so he started printing baseball cards to put in the cigarette packages, and I thought that was pretty neat. So that's how we get our baseball cards now, thanks to Duke and the saloon girls.